Welcome to Naturalhub. Today, we're delving deep into the captivating realm of gut health and unraveling the extraordinary power of probiotics. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind a flourishing gut and how probiotics can revolutionize your overall well-being. Your gut is a complex ecosystem teeming with trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. This gut microbiome plays a pivotal role in various aspects of health, from digestion and nutrient absorption to immunity and mental wellness. And at the heart of this symbiotic relationship are probiotics, the superheroes of gut health. Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, confer numerous health benefits. These friendly bacteria can be found naturally in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and tempeh, as well as in probiotic supplements. Let's delve into the fascinating world of probiotics and unveil how they work wonders for your gut. First and foremost, probiotics play a pivotal role in restoring and maintaining a harmonious balance of gut flora. This balance is paramount for optimal digestion, efficient nutrient absorption, and a healthy gut lining. Probiotics also bolster the immune system by fortifying the gut's barrier function and modulating immune responses, leading to reduced inflammation and enhanced defense against pathogens. Furthermore, the impact of probiotics extends beyond the gut, influencing mental health and well-being. The intricate gut-brain axis connects the gut and the brain, and a flourishing gut microbiome has been linked to improved mood, reduced anxiety and depression, and enhanced cognitive function. Now that we understand the remarkable benefits of probiotics, let's explore practical ways to integrate them into your daily diet for maximum impact. One delectable way to boost your probiotic intake is by concocting a nutrient-packed smoothie. Blend together a generous scoop of probiotic-rich yogurt or kefir with an assortment of vibrant berries, nutrient-dense spinach, a drizzle of honey, and a splash of probiotic-rich kombucha or kefir. This delightful smoothie not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also nurtures your gut with a plethora of beneficial bacteria. Variety is paramount when it comes to fostering a diverse and resilient gut microbiome. Incorporate an array of probiotic-rich foods into your diet, such as fermented vegetables, kefir, kombucha, and probiotic supplements. Consistency is key. Aim to consume probiotic-rich foods regularly to maintain a thriving gut ecosystem. The transformative power of probiotics in nurturing a flourishing gut and fostering overall well-being is undeniable. Whether you opt for probiotic-rich foods, fermented delicacies, or probiotic supplements, prioritize these gut-friendly additions to your daily regimen for a happier, healthier you. If you found this comprehensive exploration of probiotics enlightening, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow health enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more illuminating insights into gut health, nutrition, and holistic wellness. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more valuable knowledge with you in our upcoming videos.